think y'all heard me. I be walking around this bitch like a big homie. You can't never little assist me. I got big money, pockets fat like your granny. I told her cook some. Yes. I'm the boss bitch if that nigga left me. It's his loss, bitch. I want everything here. But the cost is if you really got that nigga, get him off. Got him blowing up my line, keep calling. He a crazy ass nigga, keep stalking. I had to block that nigga number, kept talking. If he a dog.
Hey y'all, I hope you guys like the new intro. Today I'm back with another hair video, and today's hair is from Asteria Hair. They sent over this HD lace honey 5x5 closure wig body wave. Okay, listen, this is a 22-inch 180% density. This is everything that came in the package. Look how beautiful this hair is. I bleached the knots, I did some plucking, and this is how it turned out. It was so good. Y'all already know I love me 5x5s because it's just easy, on the go, quick and fast. Today's hair, I really wanted to do something different, like a different hairstyle. I've never done like something quick and cute and funky, so I decided to do that today. Instead of using like hot tools and stuff, I wanted to do like pigtails and then add some curl, just like a fun little hairstyle. You guys will see on what hairstyle I decided to do, but at the end I really just decided to just wear it all down. You guys would see, but I thought the hairstyle was pretty cute, and yeah. But all the links will be down below in the description to this hair and to Asteria Hair. You guys already know the deal, and yes, shout out them for sending me this hair, and I can't wait to work with them more in the future. And yes, sorry y'all, I just woke up, so this is my morning voice. Yeah, but yeah, like I said, all the links down below, and enjoy the rest of the video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye. The headband, you really don't have to. I kind of just use this to like hold it down too. But yeah, this is how the hair looks. I just like did little bangs. I put some braids, and then I did like curls at the end, the little koi things, but definitely nothing like them. I just didn't want the rubber bands, so This is how it looks. I don't know, it's something cute for a little, you know, 4x4 or 5x5, you know. It's cute and it's very natural looking. Like, you can't tell this is a wig at all. Like, okay, watch, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna undo this to see if it did any. Yeah, okay, so the ends are curly, that's good, and then the hair is like wavy, so that's cute. So you could do both side out now. But yeah, I just wanted to try something different. So yeah, this is, I decided to just take the hair out and just let it do what it do. I love you guys so much, and don't forget that the link to this hair and any other hair will be in the description, and you guys already know. And follow me on Instagram. And yes, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.